presentation. Today we will take you on an extraordinary and mesmerizing journey of Earth and solar system. Now please stand up and take your positions. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. Oh God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, and actions of this day. I lighten my mind, strengthen my memories, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
Celebrating the divine presence of God, let us come together in unity and devotion. We commence our class assembly with the Saraswati Vanna. That it pulls you out of the current mindset and into that moment. So I would like to call Aditya Mija for thought of the day.
The thought of the day is when I orbited around the earth in a spaceship, I saw for the first time how beautiful our planet is. Mankind, let us preserve and increase this beauty and do not destroy it. I repeat my thought. When I orbited around the earth in a spaceship, I saw for the first time how beautiful our planet is. Mankind, let us preserve and increase this beauty and do not destroy it. Thank you.
Get ready to embark on an interstellar voyage, as now we will present a skit that will introduce you to the captivating mysteries and enchanting beauty of our very own Earth and solar system. Buckle up for conversation among the sun and the planets.
Scene 1. The sun is standing in the middle, surrounded by the all 8 planets.
I am Sun, the center of our solar system. I am a huge ball of helium and hydrogen gas, which gives heat and light to all the planets. Mercury, would you like to tell us about yourself and the features belong to you?
Yes, sure. I am Mercury, the smallest planet in the solar system. I am the closest planet to the sun, so it's so hot here. There is no atmosphere, so there is no rain and wind.
Great. Dear Venus, now it's your turn.
I am Venus, the second planet from the sun. I am I am thick clouds of sulfuric acid which makes me hottest planet in the solar system.
Excellent. I loved your features. Our beloved Earth, we are curious to know about you.
Sure, I am Earth, third planet from the Sun. I am only planet in the solar system known to have life. I have a natural satellite called Moon.
Brilliant. Your attributes are outstanding. Hey Mars, let's hear about your qualities.
Yes, I'd love to share. I am Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun. I am the red planet because my surface is covered in iron oxide, which is a reddish brown minerals. I have thin atmosphere, but it is not thick enough to support life.
Marvelous. Hey Jupiter, would you like to tell us about your qualities?
Thank you for providing me opportunity. I am Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun. I am the largest planet in the solar system. I am the gas giant, which means I am made mostly of hydrogen and helium. I have a thick atmosphere and a strong magnetic field. I have many natural satellites. Among them, one of the biggest satellite is Ganymede.
Excellent. Your qualities are truly remarkable. Dear Saturn, would you like to tell us about your qualities?
I will feel lucky to do so. I am Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun. I am the second largest planet in the solar system. I am a gas giant. Like Jupiter, I am known for my beautiful rings which are made of ice and rock.
Excellent. Your qualities shine brightly. Hey Uranus, we'd love to hear about you.
Yes, sure. I am Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun. I am an ice giant, which means that I am mostly made of helium, hydrogen and ice. I have a thick atmosphere and a strong magnetic field. I am known as the first one to be discovered with a telescope.
Brilliant. Your aspects are truly remarkable. Hey Saturn, would you mind sharing your qualities with us?
Yes, why not? I am Neptune, the eighth and the last planet from the Sun. I am an ice giant like Uranus. I have a thick atmosphere and strong magnetic field.
I admire you, dear one.
Scene 2. The planets are all talking to each other. I am so hot. I wish I was farther away from sun. It's so hot here. Sometime I wish for a break from the blazing sun, but it seems like it's never ending. I am so cloudy. I wish I could see the sun. The clouds has covered me again. It's lonely up here when I cannot shine for you. I am so lucky. I have a perfect atmosphere and temperature for life. I have a diverse environment including oceans, continents and life-sustaining atmosphere. I am so lonely. I wish I had some friends to play with. The vast expanse of red stretches endlessly around me, and yet I am alone. No bustling cities, no friendly neighbors to share stories with. I am so big. I wish I could move around more easily. I have to take more days to revolve around the sun. I am so beautiful. I wish everyone could see my rings. I love my appearance and the place I have. I am so cold. I wish I was closer to the sun. Out here in the depths of the solar system, I am a world apart, distant and isolated. The vast expanse of space separates me from the sun warmth and the familiarity of the other planets.
I am so far. I wish I were closer to my friends. I wanted to enjoy the sunlight and be near the earth.
Scene 3. The sun is talking to the planets.
My beloved planets, each of you hold a special place in my heart. From the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune, you all possess unique characteristics that makes you extraordinary. I bask in the beauty of your diversity, marveling at the wonders you each bring to the cosmic tapestry.
We love you too, sun.
My dear planets, I promise to always take care of you and give you heat and light, nurturing you with the energy you all need to thrive. Thank you.
Thank you. Dance has been used as a form of worship and celebration since ancient times. Many cultures worldwide use dance to express their faith and connect with their spiritual roots. As we witness the praise dancers' graceful movements and vibrant colors, let us take a moment to reflect on the beauty and diversity of God's creation through a live Kathak dance.
Ah
focus on Earth and our solar system.
It is the closest planet to the Sun. It has a very tiny atmosphere and extreme temperature variation. It is a rocky planet and has many impact craters on its surface. It completes one orbit around the Sun in 88 days and one spin on its axis in 59 days.
Venus. Venus is similar in size and composition to Earth. It has a thick, toxic atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide. Venus is known for its scorching surface temperature and a runaway greenhouse effect. It completes one orbit around the Sun in 255 days and one spin on its axis in 243 days. Earth is the only non-planet to support life. It has a diverse environment including oceans, continents and a life-sustaining atmosphere. It is the third planet from the Sun. It completes one orbit around the Sun in 365 days and one spin on its axis in one day. Earth has only one moon.
Mars is often called the red planet due to its reddish appearance. It has a thin atmosphere and known for its surface. Features like canyons and largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus moons. Mars has been a target for future human exploration. It completes one orbit around the Sun in 607 days and one spin on its axis in one day. Mars has 2 moons.
Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It has a gas giant composed mainly of helium and hydrogen. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field and a very known feature called the Great Red Spot. Jupiter orbits around the Sun in 11 years and 11 months. Jupiter spins on its own axis in 9 hours and 56 minutes. Jupiter has 53 moons.
Saturn. Saturn is famous for its beautiful ring system, which is made up of ice particles and rock. It is another gas giant like Jupiter and is known for its intricate ring pattern. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It completes one orbit around the Sun in 29 years 5 months and one spin on its axis in 10 hours 40 minutes. Saturn has 53 moons.
Uranus. Uranus is an ice giant with green-blue appearance due to its atmosphere methane coated. It rotates on its side, making it unique among all the planets in our solar system. Uranus has a system of rings and set of 27 non-moons. It completes one orbit around the Sun in 84 days and one spin around its axis in 17 hours 14 minutes.
Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun in our solar system. It is another ice giant with a deep blue coloration. Neptune has powerful winds and a storm system called the Great Dark Spot. It completes one orbit around the Sun in 164 years and one spin on its axis in 16 hours 7 minutes. Neptune has 13 moons. The Sun is the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The Sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. The Sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth.
Our Earth has only one natural satellite, that is Moon. Its diameter is 1/4 of the Earth. It appears so big because it is near to our planet and other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. Moon move around the Earth in 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one revolution.
Thank you.
Poetry is thoughts that words can breathe, that burn. Genuine poetry can communicate before it is understood. A poem is never finished, only abandoned. Poetry is an echo, asking a shadow to dance. Now the students of my class are going to recite an English poem.
In the sky so wide, there is a special place. It's our Earth, floating in space, with oceans blue and mountains tall. It's where life thrives, where we stand tall. In a dance so grand, it's hard to begin. Mercury, Venus and Mars in a row, each with its own story to show. Jupiter is used with a stormy might, while Saturn's ring gleam in the light. Uranus and Neptune far and cold, and Pluto advanced in the dark and bold. But Earth is our home, where we belong, with forests, rivers and birds' song. It's where we live, laugh and dream. In the dark so bursts, it gleams. Let's care for our Earth, our special place, for in its beauty we find grace. Together in the solar team, we'll keep shining bright like a dream. Thank you.
Poetry is thoughts that breathe and words that burn. Now the students of my class are coming for a recital of Hindi poem.
मैं हूँ एक तारा, लगता हूँ सबको प्यारा, गर्मी रहना मेरा काम, सूरज है मेरा नाम, सारे ग्रह मेरे चारों ओर चक्कर लगाते, सभी रंग मुझे बहुत भाते। सूर्य के बाद मैं आता हूँ, बुध ग्रह मैं कहलाता हूँ, सूर्य की हूँ मैं सबसे पास, ग्रहों में हूँ मैं सबसे पास। मुझे अपने आप पर होता फक्र, क्योंकि मैं हूँ चमकीला शुक्र। बुध के बाद मैं आता हूँ, भोर का तारा कहलाता हूँ, संध्या को मैं जल्दी आता, इसलिए संध्या का तारा कहलाता हूँ। लाल है मिथिला तुमको ज्ञान, सुन लो भाई पृथ्वी मेरा नाम, केवल मुझ में ही तो जीवन है, सूर्य से मेरा तीसरा स्थान। लाल लाल मैं दिखाई देता, इसलिए लाल ग्रह कहलाता हूँ, मंगल ग्रह मेरा नाम, पृथ्वी के बाद मेरा स्थान। मंगल के बाद मैं आता हूँ, बृहस्पति मैं कहलाता हूँ, नाम में हूँ मैं सबसे बड़ा, ग्रह भी बड़ा कहलाता हूँ। 3 बलियों वाला ग्रह हूँ मैं, इसलिए बहुत सुंदर हूँ मैं, मेरे नाम से लोग डरते हैं, सुनो भाई मुझे शनि कहते हैं। शनि के बाद मैं आता हूँ, अरुण मैं कहलाता हूँ, सूर्य से बहुत दूर होने के कारण बिल्कुल नहीं खुद को पाता हूँ। अरुण के बाद मैं आता हूँ, वरुण मैं कहलाता हूँ, ठंडा होने के कारण सबको पाता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Now get ready for a whirlwind of excitement and joy. Now Agamjeet, Ahana and Amandeep are going to give a wonderful English song performance.
Don't ever think the road's too long or the stars are too high. Have confidence that you'll be strong, you'll be touching the sky. You should never be afraid. I know you'll be making the grade, so count to 10 and start again and keep on telling yourself, I can do it, I will do it, nothing's gonna get in my way. I can do it, I will do it, never gonna stop till I can say, I did it. Don't ever think you'll drop the ball, you're as good as the rest. Have confidence that you'll be strong, keep on telling yourself, I can do it, I will do it, nothing's gonna get in my way. I can do it, I can do it, never gonna stop, never gonna stop, never gonna stop till I can say, I did it. I can.
Feel the rhythm in your heartbeat, let the melody flow in your soul and paint the air of the colors. Hindi song performance by Arab Parsi, Angad Veer and Adhim.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा मौका, आके ज़मीन पे भेजा जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, 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 शाबाशियाँ। Thank you.
Music has healing power. It has ability to take people out of themselves for a few hours. Now Agamjit is going to give an instrumental performance.
Dance is the loveliest of all the arts because it gives us the slightest excuse to feel and be completely beautiful. Now the students of our class are coming for group dance performance.
System. The solar system is the family of the sun. There are 8 planets that move around it. The 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा। ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाए आसमान सारा। ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाए आसमान सारा। जगमग तारे दो तारे नौ तारे 100 तारे जगमग सारे, हर तारा है शरारा। रंग कहने को, फिर भी संग कितने हैं। समझो सबसे पहले तो रंग होते अकेले तो इंद्रधनुष बनता ही नहीं। एक न हम हो पाए तो अन्याय से लड़ने को होगी कोई जनता ही नहीं। फिर न कहना निर्बल है क्यों हारा। तारा तारा ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा। देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में वो जगमगा आसमान सारा। जगमग तारे दो तारे नौ तारे सौ तारे, जगमग सारे हर तारा है शरारा। बनता एक दरिया है, बूंद बूंद सागर है, वरना ये सागर क्या है। समझो इस पहेली को, बूंद हो अकेली तो एक बूंद जैसे कुछ भी नहीं। हम औरों को छोड़े तो मुँह सबसे ही मोड़े तो तन्हा रह न जाए। देखो हम कहीं क्यों ना बने मिलके हम धारा।